This is about the new MT5 multi-talented heat press, about the cap press attachment. Recently we have an upgrade to put a little bit holder like this. It's clip-in, like this. It's clip-in. It's clip-in. All the new machine has this. Some clients said they cannot push in because we want to reduce the gap distance so they are firmly not wobbling. So what you need to do is push a little bit in the angle. Okay, I need somebody holding this. So we do not go back. Push to the back. So in the angle we can push. See? And you just in. Then they do not wobble. When this one, okay, when this one out here goes up. So that's how you put it in. You cannot directly push. It's difficult. Okay, maybe after lots of try you can, but you can in the angle. It's more easier for you.